Continuing on our seed starting series, I thought I would show you how to pot up from a 1-inch cell insert to a 4-inch pot. Now it seems like a really simple concept or a simple topic in general for people with experience in gardening and starting their own seeds, but I know when I started growing from seed, I had to learn how to do that. I had to find the right way and the easiest way that wouldn't damage the seedling, wouldn't damage the roots, and would produce healthy plants. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And in this video today, it's going to be a quick one. Hi everyone, I'm Julie DeMacos, also known as the Gardening Girl. I'm really glad you can join me. And I think that this technique is one that once you master it, it's got to be really, really quick. And it can be a little complicated at first. So let me show you how I do it, which I find to be the easiest way, and hopefully you can try that technique in your own seed starting process. Let's get started. I'm potting up these chili peppers. These two particularly need to come out. These are poblano peppers, and you can see the stems are nice and long, and they need to come out of here because I'm positive that the root system is already quite developed. So let me see. You want to try to take it out if you can through the base. So take a look at that root system there. You can see it's the perfect size to get it out. You want to try to work the bottom of the cell tray with your fingers and to pull it out. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside. So I've got the pot lined at the bottom. I'm going to take my soil. It's my seed starting mix, and if you take a look at the top, I have a video there on how I put my how I mix together my seed starting mix, because it isn't straight seed starting mix. It's actually a few other ingredients which I find give the seedlings a nice boost to get started in growing, because the seed starting mix is sterile. So here we go. I've got my soil. Take my thumbs, put them together, holding the outside of the pot, just rotate. When you do that, you make a well. Very easy. Take your seedling, place it in, push it down, holding the soil at the top. Don't touch the stem. Tap it together like this. Now many plants can be buried a little deeper, like tomatoes, like peppers, so don't be afraid to do that. Push it down just on around the soil, and that's it. We're gonna do the second one together. Fill it with soil. We're gonna fill it 3/4 of the way, or just until that line the pot has. Okay, just tap it on the sides, makes the soil even. There we go. Take your thumbs, place them in the center, and turn the pot as you go. And that's about the size of a 1-inch cell insert. I'm gonna take my seedling from the bottom, work it out. See, I'm just teasing it up through the bottom. There you go, you can see the root system is starting to wrap around. We don't want that. You place that into that little well that you created. You can tap the side to get the soil all around even, and just take a little bit more. Okay, and push it down. You can tap the sides just to smooth it out. You can tap a little bit more soil if you want. Now if you're doing tomatoes the same way, that's really good because you can place it deeper into the pot. And that's it. See how easy? Easy, planted, no mess, no fuss, no worrying about trying to get it into the right place. When you put your fingers like that in the center, it actually makes it center. So the hole is in the center, not on the side, although that wouldn't matter either, but I like my seedlings right in the center, and that's how you do it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that this helped you. This technique will make your seed starting experience a lot easier. If you like my video, please be sure to give me a like, and then feel free to share, and please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of all upcoming videos. Look forward to speaking to you all again soon. I've got more seed starting videos planned, and I will definitely be sharing them as we go along. Have a great day, everyone. Happy gardening. Talk to you soon.